Yesterday, I asked our subscribers to guess the next phone we're about to unbox. I guess the guess is over. But then, the inspirational story behind this unboxing is special. Ordered the first Poco F3 on 23rd of April, that didn't work out, I cancelled. Ordered again on 28th of April, that didn't work out. And then I cancelled and ordered again 29th of April. Yeah, that one managed to, the tracker said he came into the country and that was it. So this is the fourth one I ordered and it finally came. So, probably have much faith on Poco F3. I hope it doesn't disappoint. If you're ready, let's share this inspirational story. Okay, welcome back. Xiaomi's strategy is to feed on the weakness of their competitors, and most time they do it with a bold statement like this. And this one was sent to one of Xiaomi's competitor. You might know who they are, but I'll leave you to guess. Now let's look at this phone, and why did I keep on ordering this phone? Because I wanted to lay my hand on this phone because there are a whole lot of things in this phone that you need to feel for yourself. So let's open the carton and you'll be greeted with that welcome to Poco family. I just hope I'm not going to be disappointed because I have so much faith and high hopes for the Poco F3. And getting into my country, Nigeria, was one of the most difficult experiences I've ever had. And I like the sticker. If you're a Poco fan, you can stick it around. Then there is a manual in multiple languages, a smaller manual. And then the USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack. Very important. And I like that. And then there is the all-important condom casing for protection. I mean, you can never go bad with having extra protection. Then inside the box there is the phone itself. I think I like the blue. God, thank God I finally got that. We're going to come back to the phone later. There is USB Type-C in it. There is the 33 watts fast charger, out of the box. That's impressive. So let's get back the phone and let us just open it up and look at it. This is going to be a very unique unboxing where I'm going to give you some of my first impression. But if you're already a user of Poco F3, you can check the cards now. There is a poll there. What are the things you like about Poco F3? What are the things you don't like? And then if you're a person intending to buy, then you can now contribute to the full review, which will come out maybe after 2 weeks because we're going to review everything. I'm going to skip this setup and turn off this. I still like this blue color. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that subscribe button right now because you're going to be a part of the panel that will decide how this full review will look like. This phone is sleek. I like the operation is smooth. Of course, everyone know that's great processor. This is the 60 Hz. I later tuned it up to 120 Hz, and you could feel that smooth, buttery smooth operation in it. There are some bloatwares, even Google News. Good news, you can actually uninstall them. They're quite some. Of course, the camera, front camera, I was kind of impressed. This is the first picture I took with it. Looked good on the front camera in a low light room, and yeah, we're gonna have a whole lot of things to do with that. And it came with MIUI 12, 12.0. So I'm gonna walk the full review from before update, after update. So make sure you contribute in the comment section and subscribe, turn on the notification bell icon, because that's actually update for MIUI 12.5, but I'm gonna do some things before I get to that. So let me know, will you still get the Poco F3? There are new ones coming out, the Realme GT, other ones, but will you still get the Poco F3? There is so much discounts going on right now about the Poco F3. So I'm gonna like to hear from you in the comment section. What do you want me to touch? I will promise you I will do my best to give you any answer you want about this phone, especially here in Nigeria, that it took almost being impossible before I could get it. So until I see you in the full review, peace out. Subscribe. I'll see you.